up YouTube? If you're looking for a tempered glass for a Samsung Galaxy S10 device, there's only one brand where the fingerprint sensor works fine, and that is the dome glass from Whitestone. So this will be just a quick feedback video on my experience with the Whitestone dome glass, and won't be an installation video, but I'm going to put some links, YouTube links for the installation of this tempered glass. So let's get right into it. So as I mentioned, Whitestone Dome claims it's the only tempered glass working with ultrasonic fingerprint sensor due to its special adhesive, which they call liquid optical clear adhesive, which prevents microspace between the device and the dome glass. Well, there are other tempered glass for S10, but fingerprint sensor doesn't work, or it has a hole for the fingerprint, which is kinda annoying. The Whitestone Dome, however, is proud of its 4 full features, which are full ultrasonic recognition for the fingerprint, full clarity, full coverage, and full filling. After installation, they recommend to re-register your fingerprint and activate touch sensitivity on your device. In my experience, it's indeed a nice tempered glass which is clear, not fingerprint magnet, provides protection, but the fingerprint recognition is far from perfect. On my 10 tries, it works about 5 out of 10 or 50%. Sometimes it will work, but after my second try only. So overall, Whitestone Dome is a good tempered glass protection for your valuable S10 device. At $50, it is a good value for its purpose. If you are patient on how fingerprint works on this glass, then it's a good fit for you. So that's it on my quick video on the Whitestone Dome glass for S10. Let me know your experience on this tempered glass in the comment section below. And if you are new to the channel, please subscribe and please like or dislike this video. Thank you.